Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. As you can see here to my left, we have my buddy's A4, which we've been working on for the last few days. We're actually just doing an engine swap for him, but that's not what we're concentrating on today. We're actually going to go head outside and turn on the S4 and get you guys a cold start and some revs, and I'll also give you a quick explanation of what my exhaust setup is. Let's get to it. Okay, so just a quick intermission before we continue on to the rest of the video. Definitely make sure to like and subscribe. There's a lot of exciting content coming up soon. Wouldn't want you guys missing any of it. Also, if you have any video ideas or anything you'd like to see me do, definitely drop a comment below. Let me know what it is. I look forward to seeing them. Catch you guys later.